In this video, I'm going to show you this website where you need to create yourself a free account in order to start receiving emails. And I'm also going to share a few tips that will allow you to even earn more money on this site. So stick around and make sure to watch the entire video if you want to start earning real money online with this new method. Here is the website I promised to show you, and that is paidtoreademail.com. Make sure to type it correctly into your browser, just like I'm showing on the screen right now. Now, this is the exact website where you are going to get paid for opening the emails they're sending you. This site is absolutely free for anyone from anywhere around the world to join and access. And the best part is that you can start making money with this new method on whichever device you prefer, whether it's your computer, smartphone, or tablet. Just make sure to have an internet connection as well. Also, please let me know by leaving your comment down below from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific contents for your region in my future videos. Now, if you're wondering how everything works and how you get paid, then you don't have to worry at all, because it's actually really easy. All you need to do is to follow these 3 steps in here. And these are signing up, reading emails, and then getting paid. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, then you can see what are the benefits of joining this website. So, the first and most important reason to join is because you will receive daily paid emails. You will not receive just one email, you will receive several once a day. This is why you are able to earn even more money. Their second reason is that they offer a quick payment processing. This means receiving your earnings within the first 24 hours. And the money will be sent straight to your PayPal account after requesting it. So, make sure to create the PayPal account as well, if you don't have one yet. The third reason to join is because they are allowing members to request payouts if they have earned at least $15. And this is a very good offer, as most websites have a $50 payout limit. And the fourth reason is that they will give you $3 for sign-up bonus, and that is free money straight to your account. And the fifth and sixth reasons are the ones I love the most. These are taking daily paid surveys and referring your friends. Using these options will only increase your earning potential. It's time for you to take the first step on this website, and that is creating yourself a free account in here. You need to select your gender and then add your first name over here. Also, fill in your email address and create the password. Finally, click on Sign Up to finish creating your new account. Also, hit the like button if you like this video so far. Now that you have signed in, then you should see your account looking like this. The account has been activated and there's nothing more you need to do with it. And over here you can see that they have given you $3 for sign-up bonus. That's exactly what they promised. And if you scroll down a bit, then you're able to see this section in here. That is, free ways to be rewarded for your online activities. This means that there are several ways on how you can make money on this website. And the first one is cash surveys. They say that there are new surveys available every day, and you can earn 50 cents to $1 per survey. To start taking surveys, just click on this button here. After that, you can see this page with 4 different surveys that will pay you from 40 cents to $1.20 for every completed survey. As you can see, there are 4 categories of surveys. The first one is your surveys. And over here, you can take a limited number of surveys. The second one is Dynata surveys, and you can take max 20 surveys a day. The third one is opinion surveys. And with this one, you can also take a limited number of surveys. The last one is survey time. And with that, you can take only 1 survey a day. I wouldn't like to spend much time on talking about surveys because it's actually really easy to take them. But there is still a bonus tip I would like to share with you that will help you to increase the earning potential. So, I recommend signing into your account daily and then focus on Dynata surveys. Make sure to take all the 10 surveys per day. Now, if taking 1 survey pays you 50 cents, then taking 10 surveys will pay you $5 every day. And that's a pretty decent money. Doing that 30 days in a row will let you earn $150. And at one point, you're even able to take unlimited of surveys, which allows you to earn up to $5 per survey. Once you have finished with taking the surveys for the day, then you can continue on with the cash offers. You can simply click on this button to be taken to the next page where you can start taking paid surveys. In here, you can earn from 40 to 60 cents for completing each survey. I also recommend taking all of them for the day so that you can increase your earnings. It's time to show you the last option on how to earn on this site, and that is opening emails. This means you just need to click on the email this website sends you. I will now demonstrate how easy it actually is. You just go to your email inbox and then open the email they have sent you. Sometimes there may be instructions on what you're required to do. But if there aren't any, then this usually means that you need to click on the photo or the link in the email, then you'll be taken to this new website, where you need to stay on at least 30 seconds. And while you're on that site, I recommend you to scroll from top to the bottom. This way you're showing that you're not a robot. After being on there for 30 seconds, you can just simply close the website. Once you have closed it, you can see that you have received money to your account. That's how easily you can earn money by opening emails. Now, if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here. That is, new app pays you real money.